In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an anchor link in Hubspot. An anchor link is a link that jumps a visitor to a specific section of your page, like directly down to your pricing, FAQ, or testimonials. To make this work, we'll set up two things. First, the anchor itself, which is the destination, and then the clickable link that takes people there. Let's start by creating the anchor, or the destination. In your Hubspot account, go up to the main navigation bar and head into the content area. From there, choose the type of content you're working on. This might be a website page, a landing page, or a blog post. Open the specific page or post where you want to add the anchor. Once the editor is open, click into the rich text module where you want visitors to land when they click the anchor link. This might be the start of your testimonials section, a heading for your pricing, or any other key area on the page. Inside that rich text module, look at the toolbar at the top and find the Insert option. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down, choose Anchor. A dialog box will pop up asking you to name your anchor. This name is what you'll use to identify the section later. For example, you could call it Testimonials. There are a couple of rules to keep in mind here. Your anchor name must start with a letter, and instead of using spaces, you should use hyphens. So instead of Customer Testimonials, you would enter Customer Testimonials. Once you've typed in a clear, simple name that follows those rules, click Insert. You've now created the destination on your page. Next, let's create the clickable part, or the trigger, that sends users to that anchor. Still in the content editor, highlight the text or image you want people to click on. This might be a phrase like jump to testimonials or an icon or button image. With that text or image selected, go back to the rich text toolbar and click the link icon, which looks like a small chain link. A link panel will appear. In the Link To dropdown, choose the option that says Anchor on this page. After that, another dropdown labeled Anchor will appear. Click it and select the anchor name you created earlier. Once that's selected, click Insert to finalize the link. Now, when someone clicks that text or image, HubSpot will smoothly scroll them straight down to the anchor section you set up.